The MVC architecture separates an application into three components: model for managing data and business logic, view for the user interface and display, and controller for handling user input and interaction. This division helps in organizing code, making it more maintainable and scalable. Model View Controller (MVC) is a software design pattern that divides an application into three components. Model handles data and business logic. View manages the user interface and controller. Process user input and interacts with model and view. The controller updates the model based on user input, and the view reflects the change in the model, creating a clear separation of concerns.